Daniel, big question. What are you doing tonight?
Tonight? Probably sleeping.
Sleeping? I asked about your plans, not your nap.
Oh, plans. Okay, hold on, let me think.
While he thinks, let's talk about how to ask this in English.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
Okay, easy one first. The most normal way to ask a friend about tonight is...
Got any plans tonight? Or just any plans tonight?
Got any plans tonight?
Perfect. Quick note. Plans mean stuff you already decided to do, like a movie, dinner, a walk, anything.
So if I say no plans, it means my night is open?
Exactly. No plans equals free night. Couch and pajamas allowed.
Couch and pajamas is a plan, Daniel.
Fair point.
Okay, now, what if I want to suggest something, but I don't want to push?
Use I was thinking of. It's soft, it's friendly, it opens the door. Use this when you have the idea. You're planting it. You're not asking yet. You're saying, hey, this is in my head. What do you think? I was thinking of grabbing pizza tonight. Want to come?
I was thinking of grabbing pizza tonight.
Notice the of. I was thinking of doing something. Always of plus ing.
I was thinking to get pizza?
Nope. Of grabbing, not to grab. Tiny word, big difference.
I was thinking of grabbing pizza.
Yes. Now you sound like my friend, not my English teacher.
Okay, but what if I just want to invite? Simple.
Two easy ways. Want to plus verb. How about plus a noun or plus ing? Want to is direct. You already know what you want. You just need a yes or a no. Want to watch a movie tonight? Want to grab dinner?
Want to go for a walk?
Perfect. Direct, easy, good for friends, good for family, even okay at work. Now, how about this one is softer. You use it when you're not sure they'll say yes, or when you want to give them space to suggest something else. How about pizza? How about going for a walk?
How about ice cream after dinner?
So, want to means, here's the plan. Are you in? How about means, here's an idea. What do you think? Same goal, different feeling.
Got it. Want to if I'm confident. How about if I'm testing the water?
Exactly. Now you're choosing on purpose.
Pressure-free invitations. My favorite kind.
Now, someone invites you. You want to say yes. Let's talk about when to use which yes.
I'm ready.
First group, I'm down, I'm in. These are casual. Use them with friends, use them with close coworkers. They feel young, fun, easy.
I'm down for pizza. I'm in for pizza. Wait, down? Like sad down?
Good question. No. I'm down equals yes. Count me in. Totally different from feeling down. Same word, different meaning. The trick is context.
Okay, and if I'm talking to my boss or someone I just met, I'm down feels weird, right?
Right, that's when you switch. Second group, sounds good, let's do it. These are neutral. Friends, coworkers, your boss, your aunt, anyone, always safe. Boss says, meeting at 3, you say, sounds good. Friend says, pizza tonight? You say, sounds good. Or, I'm down. Both work with friends.
So, down and in for the casual stuff. Sounds good. And let's do it for everything.
Now you're thinking like a native. Pick your yes based on the person, not just the plan.
I'm down. I'm in. Sounds good. Let's do it. 4 yeses for 4 moments. Okay, but Daniel, what if I want to say no without sounding mean?
Big topic, so important. 3 ways, and each one fits a different moment. 1, maybe next time. Use this when you can't go at all today, but you want to keep the door open for the future.
Maybe next time.
2, rain check. Remember from episode 5? Can I take a rain check? Stronger than maybe next time. You're saying, yes, I really want to, just not today.
Rain check, our classic. I use this one every week.
So maybe next time is polite distance. Rain check is I'm in, just reschedule. Different feeling. 3, I'll let you know. Use this when you haven't decided yet. You're not saying no, you're not saying yes, you're saying give me time.
I'll let you know. I love this one. It's like I'm not saying no, but I'm not saying yes.
Exactly. I'll let you know buys you time. You can answer in an hour, you can answer tomorrow.
Okay, so maybe next time if I really can't. Rain check if I want to, but not today. I'll let you know if I'm still thinking. Yes options, no options. Let me practice everything. Okay, Daniel, ready? Real conversation.
Ready.
Daniel, got any plans tonight?
Nothing big. What's up?
I was thinking of trying that new ramen place. How about it?
Oh, I'm so in. What time?
7.
Sounds good. See you at 7.
Look at me, invited a friend. In English, no panic.
Smooth, Sophia. Very smooth.
Okay, quick recap before you go.
Asking, got any plans tonight?
Proposing when you have the idea. I was thinking of grabbing pizza.
Inviting direct. Wanna come? Inviting soft. How about pizza?
Saying yes to a friend. I'm down. I'm in. Saying yes to anyone. Sounds good. Let's do it.
Saying no. Maybe next time if you really can't. Rain check if you want to, but not today. I'll let you know if you're still thinking.
Now your turn. Tell us in the comments, what are your plans tonight? In English, even if it's just couch and pajamas.
And if someone invites you somewhere this week, try one of these phrases, then tell us how it went.
Like and subscribe so we can keep doing this together. New episode every week.
See you next time. Same cafe, same coffee.
Same Sophia who can't decide what to eat.
Same Daniel who needs more sleep.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel